Let's have a look at how to search on Ideogram. I will first show you how to search for public designs on Ideogram, and then we're also going to have a look at how to search through your very own images on Ideogram. So let's jump on in. To search through public designs on Ideogram, first of all, make sure that here in the top right corner of the screen, the Home tab is selected. Then click on the magnifying glass below. And you can then search through all the community images. This is incredibly useful because like this you can see the most popular designs on Ideogram and you can use that for inspiration, or you can even remix these to get similar results. And I could then browse through all these awesome dog designs. You can also filter these results by pressing on the down arrow here next to the magnifying glass, and you can set that, for example, to top all time. And you will then find the most popular Ideogram designs ever created. For example, this cat with the fish right here has gotten more than 4,000 likes. And this amazing design right here with this quote has gotten over 3,000 likes. Now let's have a look at how to search through your own creations on Ideogram. In order to do that, in the top right corner of the screen, go to My Images. Then below where it says Everything, when you click on that, you will find everything: generations, edits, uploads and upscales. So for example, if you would like to scan through all your generated images on Ideogram, you would click on Generations here. Then you click on the magnifying glass on the right side, and you can then search your images. As mentioned before, if you click on this down arrow here next to the magnifying glass, you can actually perform the same sort of search for either your edits, uploads or upscales. And that's it guys, this is how you search on Ideogram. If you would like to know how to remix popular designs on Ideogram, then make sure to watch the next video on this channel.